Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj, Saturday, June 5th, 1999, 8 am. The human soul, which does not find a place wherein to quench its thirst, is like a walker lost in the desert. He seeks hopelessly a watering place where he will be able to refresh himself. God's hand being laid on his heart will bring him the best relief. Perhaps the most atheistic person will be very grateful. He will look towards the sky and will thank the Creator of all things. God has many ways of sparking off the awakening of one of his children. His resources are infinite. We sometimes come to him in unexpected situations. He is patient, and when the moment has come, he co-opts us literally, sometimes at the least expected moment. You know what I mean, my daughter. Grace can be bestowed at any time. The soul is picked like a flower and its life changes completely. Each human being has his specific path, but one way or another, they always end up following the same process. Our respective paths are set in advance. They may be longer for some who try to flee away, but no being will escape the divine providence which sooner or later will bring it back to its true destination to find the abode of God. Babuji. Saturday, June 5th, 1999, 10 am. When you remain united to us through the heart, there is no waste of time. If in the face of an emergency you are prevented from doing your practice at the set time, don't feel guilty. You will catch up. AM will change course. This teamwork has made some of you reflect on the various aspects of human behavior, in particular among Abhyasis. She must leave this work with others. She has gone beyond that. It was not useless insofar as she has put in a lot of efforts. Now she must devote herself to highlighting the innumerable resources of Sahaj Marg, the changes it can bring about in the human being when it is considered in all its reality and depth. The best remedy can be effective only if it is taken timely and fittingly. This method is often overused by some people. It is a little like a gimmick. If you really wanted to become aware of the possibilities it can offer to you, you would be amazed. The Oriental people, who interiorize themselves more than you do, can better derive the quintessence of it. They unite with the inner master in all circumstances. They need neither a confessor nor a psychoanalyst. The usefulness of this profession is not by any means called into question here. We wish only to draw your attention to the fact that by practicing conscientiously, not in an intellectual and ritual way, these beings can find in them answers and peace whenever they fall into despair. Babuji.